Thank you, Mr. Sweeney. Welcome, class, to today's lesson. I am Digital Mr. Sweeney, and I will be instructing you on what you will be doing in today's lesson, which is on puberty and the changes that happen to boys and girls during this time. So, how is it going to work?
In a moment you will be handed a work booklet that looks like this. First thing to do, put your name on it. And also, if you can remember it, put in your target level in the top right. This work booklet contains all the questions and activities you'll need to complete during today's lesson. The levelled learning intentions are listed in this part of your work booklet. So, how are you going to find out all this stuff about puberty? Well, you may notice this thing in the corner. This is a QR code, and it should be a particular colour. It should either be blue, green or orange. If you look around the room now, you may notice QR codes of those colours on the wall. It's going to be your job, using an iPad, to scan the QR codes that match the colour on the front of your work booklet to find out about the changes that happen to boys, girls and boys and girls. Got that so far? Right. How are you going to scan these codes? In a moment, real Mr. Sweeney will hand you out iPads. When you get one, you also need a pair of headphones. When you get them, put them on your head, but you'll need to plug them in. Now, there'll be two leads coming from them. You just want one to go into the iPad, the black one. Don't plug the red one in, that's for the microphone. You won't need that. Got that? When you get an iPad and you've plugged your headphones in, to be able to scan these QR codes on the wall, you are going to need this app here, QR Reader. Open it up. When you open it up, a screen like this should appear. When it does, go to the option to scan. Find the right coloured QR code on the wall. When it begins scanning, you'll see this red line, like this, going up and down the camera at the top. You can also see a black square on the screen. When you find your QR code, to be able to scan it, it needs to fit inside that square, so make sure you're doing that. When you've done that and it works, it should take you to a link, and that link is a video that should tell you all about the different things that happen during puberty. There's going to be 3 different places to do this. Changes that happen to boys, changes that happen to girls, and changes that happen to both boys and girls. You can always press the home button once you've watched a video to get back to the home screen. This is the home button. Once you've finished watching a video, press that, and that will take you back to a home screen where you can access the QR reader again. So, in summary, get your iPad, plug in headphones, make sure you've got your work booklet, scan a QR code, watch the video, wait till the video's finished, and then answer the questions in your work booklet. You will have about 7 minutes to watch the video and answer the questions at each section. Good luck and work hard.
So, I hope you've got all that, and remember one thing: if you drop it, you pay for it. Good luck. I'll hand you back over to real Mr. Sweeney.